Document the straight cooking.
Cooking, just bacon.
Oh, you're just doing bacon? And onions? Okay, bacon and onions with garlic, a little bit of strawberries and lettuce. And tomato. We'll see what other ingredients comes up next.
Lettuce, corn. Here's the easy part. Not much cooking here. Fresh out of the freezer.
Directly on, fresh out of the freezer.
This way keep it nice and cool.
Yeah.
Keep the lettuce from wilting.
That's how you make desert living more comfortable.
Yeah.
Just throw it on frozen.
Frozen. Frozen living.
That doesn't look like regular bacon.
Huh?
It's more like turkey bacon, yeah. Here's the big
Coffee. Go to bed.
Vegas view.
You're mixing the olives.
You throwing them in now? Where are they going? Oh, okay.
Olives. And then to get the, so this had a lot of salt. Let me put everything in here. This going last because that way you get the lettuce all wilted. So you gotta cook slow, very low heat, and then to spice things up, check this jalapeno.
And not just the pickled ones, these are whole ones.
Look, the whole jalapeno. Get some of that.
Smells good. Yeah, that smells like the way jalapenos should smell. Like your face is about to fall off.
Yep. Just dice them up. If you like more chili, just get another one, dice it up. Throw away the stem. Unless you like the stem, you can throw it on there. Nothing go to waste.
Yeah, this is an example of Duc cooking.
Example.
I thought it was pretty cool, so I had to share it. Duc can cook instead of Yang can cook. What's that guy?
South America.
No, Yang can. Yang can.
Yang can. And then we use the same thing with the tomato. Just cut it up. See? The tomato will capture all the flavor from the jalapeno. Dole, strawberry, You never see strawberry in salad before, right?
With bacon.
With bacon and onion.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. That other stuff went pretty good that you served up this morning.
Yep, because you got what you have here is combination of sweet, salty, spicy, all rolled in one. All that flavor is kind of like, you want some strawberry?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Seeing how all the strawberry there, it gives that natural flavor. And of course, I always like to recycle all these things. When they go in the landfill, the can and all this is recyclable. You go into your blue can. A lot of people are lazy, they don't want to do it, but to keep the earth healthy, gotta help out. There. Put this in the little bowl. And then this is all done here. The bacon go on last. I like to clean up the area so that when I finish eating, you don't have a whole mess to clean up. Because this is not a TV show. TV show, you got a million people clean up for you. This is true cooking. There's no way that you can cook under 5 minutes for any kind of dish. But all the cleanup stuff, gotta be done. And I'm not promoting any kind of dishwashing products. Just anything would do. No, don't endorse it. Because otherwise you're giving a false endorsement.
Sponsors.
And then they put all this in here. So when you have everything all cleaned up, later you have to clean few items. And I can't put the bacon on yet. Because Lena's not home. If you put on too early, you get all mushy. So we put all this stuff here, and then the bacon is right here. You see how it's all cooked but still hot? So basically we'll wait until we're ready to eat, and we'll just roll it on there. It's simple, but it's not 5 minutes. Unless you have a whole crew getting everything cut and ready to clean up for you. So when somebody tells you on TV that you can cook less than 5 minutes, they're blowing hot air. It'll take you at least 5-10 minutes to prepare, and then 5-10 minutes to clean up. So cooking under 5 minutes is a what Pat referred to is a conspiracy.
That's just a bunch of propaganda.
Propaganda, yeah, that's the word. Propaganda.
Keep you distracted from the truth.
Yep.
So that way when you find out the truth, you get all aggravated and suddenly you can't think.
The truth is you cannot cook under 5 minutes. So now you got all the flavor right there. You don't need any kind of dressing like that because you have all the dressing from the jalapeno. Even this is salty. And then you have all your bacon and stuff full of salt. So it's very healthy eating as much as we can based on what we can do. I mean, we don't have the time to go out and homegrown all this stuff and call it so-called organic. So what we do is we go to some of this name brand store, organic, and instead of paying $1 for strawberry, a container of strawberry, you'd be paying like $5. Just because somebody kind of rope off the area and say, okay, these strawberries are grown without chemical. Fine. You know, you're making like $100,000 a year when you go to Whole Foods or you go to your spouse, where you can go shopping $100 for a little basket of homegrown. And then here's the funny part. You spend $100 and then because you have to make the bill for it, you're working all the overtime. You kill yourself to death. Instead of working, say, 40-hour work week, you'll be working 60, 70 hours because you want to be politically correct that you're eating healthy. But on the other hand, you're working yourself to death to pay for the healthy food. And then, what do? You eat healthy for the show, and then you go out with your friend, you eat McDonald's, Burger King and stuff. There go your offset. You spend all this money being all healthy, you know, goody two-shoe and stuff, and bam! You stop by Jack in the Box for fries. You stop by McDonald's for a shake. You stop by so-called healthy Subway and spend like, say, $5 Subway and a bag of chips that's full of oil and salt. People are funny. The only way you get homegrown like this, which is very hard to do unless you're financially wealthy, you buy yourself a piece of land, you grow everything yourself. This way you're sure that there's not a single chemical is in there. And here's another thing to bring to your attention. Even you got everything off to the goose, you know, like to the, what do they call it?
Goody two-shoe?
Goody two-shoe. And then you wash it down with the finest tap water. Hell, you don't know where the tap water come from. So now you got your fine produce and you rinse it down with this tap water from Las Vegas that been through many recycles. Who knows? But that's where I go. Now that we have all the time in the world to get rainwater. So anyway, we're waiting for Lena to get here.
She's here.
She's here? Did you hear the car come in?
I heard something at the door.
I'm going to put this in blue.
Cars are awful quiet nowadays. It's hard to tell.
No, not yet. That was a neighbor's car.
There you have it. Cooking with Dat Pan. How do you turn this off?
And this is your...
Party over there. There's Duc. The famous dad. Talking to the same guy I was talking to last night. So he was talking to him a lot. I was talking to that guy. It's pretty cool.
Nha bên là hôm nay coi chừng có đi chứ còn tay ăn thôi. Có thầy ai
Wait, I gotta take a picture. For everybody?
picture mà đi sớm.
Because I can. The camera's so good. Talking about
You want some?
hey, let's do
You
it.
can have some.
Ducking.
Besides people giving them bread and stuff. Algae or something?
Grain.
What?
Grain.